Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're putting Blackbox AI versus ChatGPT head-to-head so you can see which one fits your workflow best. Starting with Blackbox AI. When you land on the workspace, you'll notice the slide-style launcher with lots of build tools. You've got things like Image to App, an app builder, an API platform, docs, and a web IDE for writing and running code. Inside Chat, you can upload files directly from your computer. One standout here is multi-panel. You can split your view to keep chat, code, previews, or docs open side by side so you're not constantly toggling tabs. There's also a model selector, so you can pick from multiple models depending on whether you want speed, cost savings, or best quality reasoning for a particular task. Now over to ChatGPT. In the main view, you'll see the familiar sidebar where you can find old chats, open your library, explore Sora and lots of specialized GPTs for work, and start a new project. Inside the chat composer, there's a plus button that fans out into a bunch of powerful options. Add photos and files, study and learn helpers, create image, think longer for deeper reasoning, deep search, web search, canvas for on-the-fly documents and visuals, plus connectors for OneDrive, Google Drive, and SharePoint so you can pull in files without downloading them locally. You can also switch on voice, either talk to ChatGPT in your own voice or use ChatGPT's voice replies. That's the breakdown of Blackbox AI versus ChatGPT. If this helped you decide, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more side-by-side tool comparisons.